Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you're all having a fantastic Sunday afternoon. It is a beautiful day. Thank God we've had rain for the last few days, but it's really nice now. And I'm going outside after this. Boy, this video had me looking so two-toned. Oh my goodness. But oh well, that's how webcam is. So my phone, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just not filming right. So I have to use my webcam since I want to make this video. So today I am going to talk about, you saw the heading, are Jamaican men better lovers or they just have a bigger penis? That's the question. Because a friend and I, we were having this conversation, and this is her belief that it doesn't matter the size; it's what you're able to do with it. And to an extent, she is right because some some men have smaller tools and they really know how to handle their business. And you've got some men that have some bigger tools that just don't know what to do with it, basically. So, but as maybe about maybe about 2 years ago, there was a survey going around, and the result came back. And first, the survey says, which country men had the largest penis? And the results came back that it was Jamaica. So Jamaican men really, their heads swell and they were feeling on top of the world because of this. And then throughout the world, women were just flocking to them because of those results, and they became very popular. But some Jamaican men are very bad, very bad. They bring down the rest, the men who are not so bad with their bad attitude, their cheating, their mistreatment of women, the whole 9 yards. So they kind of put a damper on things, and women are kind of scared of dating Jamaican men now because of certain things. Yes, they're still popular, yes, but there's also that belief that they can be violent, according to all that's going on in the news. Men killing women, men killing their spouse, their significant others, and so that put a damper on them. Women around the world, not just Jamaica, but women around the world that usually date Jamaican men are scared of them because of all that's been going on. And it's not only in Jamaica. If the man lives like in the US, then I've heard news where they shoot their partners for whatever reason it is, or kill them and burn the house down, like what happened to one a few months ago. So that being, apart from what this video is about. So the video is about, are they better lovers? Lovers per se, to say, do they know how to romance a woman, how to make her feel real good, not just the act of having sex, That's not love, that's just slam bam, thank you, ma'am. Occasionally that's good. But the point is, are they better lovers? Or is it just that their tools bigger, so it seemed like they're better lovers? But my point of view is, a smaller tool is okay. Yes, if the person knows how to use it, a smaller tool is fine once you know how to use it. But that's okay for you until you've had a significant other size than the little one that you're used to. Once you've had that and you see the difference, girl, I don't think you're going to go back at all because it's a different experience altogether. So, yes, in, in my thoughts and my point of view, size matters. It does matter because once you've experienced one, it's hard to go back to just mediocre. Once you've experienced greatness, it's hard to go back to mediocre. If you understand what I'm talking about. If you've never experienced greatness, then the mediocre is fine for you and you accept it. You have no problem with it. Tell me if I'm wrong. Comment below and tell me if I am looking at things in the wrong way and I should be looking somewhere else. But from my thoughts, it's not just size, but as I said, if the person can handle his business with a little thing, it's great. It is just fine if you know better. But once you actually know better, then it's a different story. It's an absolute. So all the men that have a smaller tool, it's fine. It is fine. And you have women that are just satisfied with a small tool. But I'm telling you, don't let them experience a bigger one because once they experience a bigger one, it's not going to be the same. If you know no better, then what you have is just okay. It is fine. But I'm telling you from experience, once you've experienced something else, then life changes. It's a life changing experience, to say the least. But I don't know where I'm going with this. It is a life changing experience. So, size matters when you know something else. It doesn't matter when you don't know something else. So, back to the Jamaican men, are they better lovers? I think some are. Some definitely are. Some know how to romance a woman, how to make her feel good, how to take care of her, not in the sense of buying her things and stuff, how to take care of her. Um, and they're just better lovers. They service. They want your pleasure. They want to make sure that you're feeling good and it's just not all about them. So, yes, you have some are like that. But then, on the other hand, you have the ones that are it's all about them, all about how they feel, what they want. Now, slam down, thank you, ma'am. Some, they are like two strokes, and they're done, they're bye. And that is unacceptable. That is unacceptable. They don't know how to pleasure a woman. It's all about their pleasure, and men like that you don't want because they're a waste of time. They are a waste of time. They just come wet up your front and then they're gone. Waste of time. You don't want that in your life. You want someone who knows you, knows what you want, you know what they want, you reciprocate the occasion. And that's how it should be because both parties should get ultimate pleasure. Of course, there's going to be, your little quickie here and there. Of course, that's normal. And that's actually fun at times. But for the most part, it's all about pleasure for each person, not just one person. You have men my heart bleeds for these men, these ones that cannot hold an erection. They just can't do it for whatever reason. And then that's when you're going to see medical attention, because then that's really medical attention. But for the ones that nothing is wrong with them, but they are just all about themselves, they need to step aside and don't give a bad name to the ones who are into lovemaking, like totally servicing the woman, making her feel good, making her feel special, ensuring that she has ultimate pleasure. And that's the kind of man you want. So, ladies, tell me the kind of man that you have. And is he all about you, not only about himself? Because you should be about him and he be about you. And then that's when you have the circle, the complete circle, not half moon. No, he care about himself, and you're wondering what is he doing. You no, it should be all about you for him and him for you, and that's when you have a complete circle, and where each person is pleasured. So go ahead, share this video with your friends, your family, your neighbor, whomever. Let's let me improve this subscription of 25. Please subscribe to my channel, and you go have yourself some great sex, hot, steamy sex, where you have sex. Have you ever had sex and you forget your name? You can't remember your name because woo, you're just in another place. Ask me my name, I can tell you. That's the kind you want to have. Okay, so you go do that. Have yourself a fantastic, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. It's Risa. Bye bye now.